I'll repeat now. In the competitive exam, 50 students passed in English. So let A be the set of students. Please write along with me. I am speaking also. Student passed in English. So what is n of A? Number of element in A, that is 50. Correct? Now let B be the set of students passed in mathematics. So what is n of B? 60. 40 students passed in both. That means what? What is this pass in both mean? What will come? It will come as intersection, not as union. Both, na? So in A also and in B also. So we will have A intersection B. If they will say one out of this, then we will use union. But when they will say both, A also and B also, so intersection will come. So this will come as 40. None of them failed. Okay, so you don't have any, all the students have passed at least in one subject. So find the number of students who passed at least in one subject. So what you have to find out is, you have to find out n of A union B. किसी at least एक subject में pass होने कितने बच्चे हैं? So what are the total number of students that is asked? Is the sum clear to you? So let us go towards the solution part. If the question is followed, we can go ahead with the answer part. So let us use the formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So that is 50 plus 60 minus 40. 50 plus 60 is 110 minus 40. This come out to be 70. Correct? So therefore 70 students passed in at least one of the subjects. I'll show the Venn diagram also once you complete this. So in the Venn diagram, children, here you will not have universal set because everybody passed in at least one subject na. So outside the set A and B nothing will come. So how will the Venn diagram will look like? You have two sets A and B. Out of this is 40, right? Intersection is 40. Now here there are 50, so 10 will come here. 50 minus 40. And here it will be 60 minus 40, that is 20. Is it clear? So now add up 10 plus 40 plus 20. Is it coming to 70? Follow the Venn diagram.
Yes, miss. Miss.
Yes. Yes, Krish.
Diagram we have to solve like this: 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. On directly write the answer.
10 also will do, no problem. No problem. Because how you got the mental, so you are doing that, na? Mentally you are doing it. So you can show directly. Number of students in A union B is 10 plus 40 plus 20, that is 70. And you can write out. So this is using Venn diagram. Clear? So in all the sums I am showing that both the ways. I will prefer you do all these things because assumption, what is A, what is B, what is union, what is intersection, that you have to show. Method one is from here. Here you are using the formula and here you are directly showing it. तो ये यहाँ से change होता है sum. Method 1 shows you this way you have to do and method 2 shows you have to do this way. Is it clear? I'll go ahead with the fourth sum. See, it is start mark, means little difficult. So please read it now in your mind. You have, a survey was conducted to know the hobby of 220 students of class 9, out of which 130 students informed about their hobby as rock climbing and students informed about their hobby as sky watching. There were 110 students who follow both the hobbies. Are you following the question? It's like earlier question only.
Yes,
So I'll rub it.
yes.
So we have let A, B, B. Come on, write it. Set of students having rock climbing hobby. So what you will get here?
Also, they
One second. So we have 130 students who are having the hobby of rock climbing. And let B be the set of students having sky watching hobby. So what is N of B? 180?
180.
Yeah, Krish, correct. Now children, they said they had 220 students. So let U be the universal set. Right? So what is N of U? How many students are there in standard 9? 220? So N of U will come as 220. Now it was told that there are 110 students having both the hobbies. 110 students have both the hobbies. So what will come? N of A intersection, not union Krish, intersection, दोनों में आता है, दोनों. They are liking to do the sky observation also. They are liking to do rock climbing also. So both. How many are there? 110. So now we'll use the formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So that is 130 plus 180 minus 110. Correct? So 310 minus 110 comes out to be 200. तो 200 बच्चों में से बच्चों का कोई ना कोई हॉबी है. Out of 220 students, 200 are having some of the other hobbies. So how many students are not having any hobby? Can you tell?
220 minus 200.
Yes, correct.
A union B dash.
So let us write down whatever we understood. Therefore, the number of students not having both the hobbies is equal to N of U minus N of our union. So that is 220 minus 200, which comes out of the 20. There are many more questions asked, children. How many students do not have any hobbies? The answer. Now say how many of them follow the hobby of rock climbing only? सिर्फ rock climbing है. They do not have that. So can you say it will be how much? Number of students having hobby of rock climbing is 130 minus 110, that is 20 students. We will write in formula also. I forgot, wait. It's A minus A intersection B. That is 130 minus 110 comes out to be 20. And number of students having hobby of sky observation is equal to N of B minus N of A intersection B. So which comes out to be 180 minus 110. 70. Followed. So let us draw the Venn diagram. Is this sum clear? You can write the answer. Whatever question, 1, 2 and 3. I am not having the place. You can write it down now. So let us use the Venn diagram. So with the Venn diagram, here you will have the universal set, right? Because there are some students who are not having any of these hobbies. So we have 110 students having both the hobbies. Always now whenever you draw the Venn diagram, write the intersection part first. तो फिर बाकी का सब easy हो जाता है. Now A, which is having 130, so it will be 130 minus 110, which comes out to be 20. देखो लोग directly answer यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. They are only having the hobby of the rock climbing and not sky observation. Sorry, the vice versa. B is having 180. So 180 minus 110 comes out to be 70. So number of students who are having the hobby of sky observation is just 70. उन लोग को ये नहीं है सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्काई ऑब्जर्वेशन करना अच्छा लगता है. They don't like to do rock climbing. Okay. So now 110 plus 20 plus 70 comes out to be 200. So there are 20 students who are not having any of this hobby. As universal set is having 220 na total. So it will be 220 minus 200. Is it clear?